He was bullied by others in school. He felt alone and sad. A kind boy noticed him. He stood up and helped him. They became the best of friends.
Whether you want to create adverts, stories, storyboards, images, videos, or even full script, this AI tool is designed to handle it all.
In fact, you can go as far as creating a complete story, a short movie, or even detailed research work using Hailuo's AI. So without wasting any time, let's dive in as I walk you through how this tool works. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice several options available, such as assets, tools, video, image, and audio. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the tools section. When you click on it, you'll see a variety of features you can explore, including Light Studio, which is their latest model, as well as agents, video generator, image generator, voice generator, music generator, and even more tools that are still being developed. Now, let's try out the Agents feature. This works similarly to ChatGPT, where you can use it for generating stories, conducting research, or creating different types of content. For this example, we'll use it to create a storyboard. Once you select it, you'll be prompted to enter what you want to create. So here, I typed in a prompt: generate a story of a boy who was bullied and later helped by another boy in school. After clicking Create, the AI automatically begins processing your request. It first outlines an execution plan showing the steps it will take, and once you click Continue, it proceeds to generate images based on the storyboard. Not only that, it also creates a video that visually represents the story. To take it even further, I asked the AI to generate narration and a voiceover for the story, and as you can see, everything comes together in one place. In the center, you have the generated images, and when you review them, you'll notice that the quality is quite impressive. The video also aligns perfectly with the storyline, bringing the entire concept to life. At this point, you now have a complete video with voiceover. All you need to do is download the clips and combine them if necessary to finalize your story. This shows just how powerful this tool is, especially for those who may not have known that Minimax AI is capable of doing all of this. Let me play the video so you can see exactly how the story turned out.
Next, we're going to try out the image generation feature. Right below the text box, you'll see several models you can choose from, including Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Seedream 5.0 Lite, Seedream 4.5, Midjourney style options, and other image models. For this demonstration, we'll be using Nano Banana Pro. I already have my prompt ready, so all I need to do is paste it in. But before clicking the Generate button, take a look at the settings below. Here, you can adjust the aspect ratio. I'll leave mine at 16:9. You can also select the resolution, which I'll set to 2K, and choose how many images you want to generate. I'll keep it at 1 for now. Once everything is set, I'll go ahead and click Generate. Now, the images have been generated using Nano Banana Pro. You can choose any model you prefer, but as you can see, the results here are really impressive. The images are in a 16:9 format. They look clean, detailed, and high quality. These are the kind of visuals you can easily use to build a story or even a full movie concept. I'll go ahead and download some of them. One great advantage is that you can take these images and animate them using the Minimax video tool or even generate videos directly from text. So now let's move over to the video section by clicking on it. Here, you have the option to upload any of the images you've already created. I'll upload one of the generated images, and you can also add an end frame if you want. I'll include that as well. Below the text box, you'll see different video models to choose from. These include Hailuo 2.3, a faster version of Hailuo 2.3, Hailuo 2 for higher quality effects, VO 3.1 for high fidelity output with native audio, its fast version, Sora 2, and other older Minimax models. For this example, I'll use the VO 3.1 fast model. After adding my prompt, the next step is to adjust the settings. You can choose the aspect ratio, resolution, I'll leave it at 1080p, and set the duration, which in this case is 8 seconds. You can also include camera movements to make the video more dynamic.
Once everything is ready, I'll click Generate. Now, here's the video we generated. Take a look at how it turned out.
This time around, I am going to finish them all. No more mercy!
As you can see, the results are quite impressive. You can go ahead and experiment with the video generation yourself and explore just how powerful this tool is. In my opinion, Minimax, also known as Hailuo AI, is one of the best tools available right now for both image and video generation. Next, we're going to take a look at their Light Studio, which is their latest AI model.
So guys, I think you're underestimating what lighting can do for your images and videos. But before we continue, take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Instead of using normal cameras, taking photos from different angles and trying to get the sun or lighting just right, you can now use AI to handle all that for you without stressing yourself trying to get the perfect shot all day. This looks like a full production setup, but it's not. You're looking at something created with Hailuo's new AI model called Light Studio. It instantly enhances your lighting with AI relighting. No heavy setup needed. You can control every light in your scene directly from your phone or desktop. With this AI model, you can turn your unusable or boring footage into visually striking content using lighting alone. In summary, Light Studio is a real-time cinematic lighting system designed for both instant creation and advanced control. You can apply high-quality lighting presets with just one tap, and you also get precise, multi-dimensional control over how your light behaves, just like on a real film set. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and drop any questions you have in the comments. Before we continue, here's what I created. Over here, you'll see the Light Studio, and this is what we are going to be trying out. All you need to do is click on it, and then you'll see the interface where we're going to be lighting up our images. So over here, I'm going to click on the Upload option to upload the image I'll be using. First, I'm going to upload this image of the character, and as you can see, she is in an Amazon rainforest, so you already know the kind of lighting effects and background that will work best for this kind of scene. For this, we're going to head over to the Template option where we have different effects available. You have the Cinema option, which you can select from, and you also have the Studio option. Once you switch to Custom, this is where you can fully control and adjust your lighting effects, both horizontally and vertically. You can also change the environment and apply additional effects to the image. So we're going to start with the Template option, and here I'm going to select the Cinema style. From here, I'll choose the Dune Oasis effect, and once selected, you'll see the option to generate the image, which will cost about 24 credits. I click on the Generate button, and you can see that the image starts processing with added lighting effects. Now, based on the effect we added, you can clearly see the difference. This new image looks more cinematic than the original one. Just take a look. You can see the cinematic nature of the generated image. Let's check the next one. This is amazing. You can see the light effect coming from behind the lady, and it gives a look that feels more like a horror or suspense scene, the kind of image you would typically see in movies. This is really good because without stress, you can create such dramatic lighting, and you can clearly see the light behind the character. Moving on, the next variation shows a darker tone across her body, adding depth and intensity, and then the last one looks really nice because the lighting is coming from the top left side, shining down from above. Next, we move to the Custom option, where we have full control over lighting, environment, and effects. Starting with lighting, you can add light 1, as you can see here, and you can adjust its position depending on where you want the light to come from. For example, this one is positioned at the top left. You can also add light 2, which appears at the top, and you can drag it vertically or horizontally depending on your preference. And then you can add a third light as well. It all depends on what you want to achieve. Below that, you have different light types such as direct, soft diffuse, and skylight. As you click on each option, you'll notice changes in how the light behaves in the scene. You can also control the intensity. If you want stronger lighting, you increase it. If you want it softer, you reduce it. And then you can choose the color for each light. For light 1, I'll use red. For light 2, I'll use yellow. And for light 3, I'll use blue. You can also use Kelvin settings if you prefer, but I like using colors. Once everything is set, I click on Generate, and when it finishes processing, we can see the result. As you can see, the top left has a red light, the top has a bluish light, and the top right has a yellow light. Combining these three light sources creates a much more cinematic look, with lighting coming from different angles. This is something that would normally require a complex studio setup, but here it's done easily with AI. So I'm going to download this result, because I really like it. Looking at the other variations, you can see how the light reflects differently on the character. In some, the light is more subtle, while in others it's more visible on her body. Using these lighting effects, you can create outstanding cinematic images or videos, so I definitely recommend you try it out. Now, let's check the environment option. Here, you can change the background to Studio Black or Studio White. I'll select Studio Black and then apply the Sunset Boulevard effect. After that, I click Generate and wait for the result. Now take a look at this. This is amazing. It was so easy to remove the background and turn it completely black, and you can see the beautiful lighting effects from the top, the sides, and even the front. This is really impressive. Looking at the next variation, it's also very clean and cinematic. The first one perfectly shows the black background effect we wanted. If you want to switch to white background, all you need to do is select Studio White under the environment settings.
So guys, just like I told you in the beginning, Hailuo AI tool is an all-encompassing AI tool. You can generate images, storyboards, movies of all kinds, projects, research, and many things. Go ahead and try out the AI tool and thank me later.